Hi, my name's Tom, and I'm here to talk about our new silverware. So this is the Mikasa Everett 101 piece set. It is a wonderful set of silverware. There is lots and lots of pieces. I will go over each one individually, but just so you know, it's actually 1810 in weight. So it's actually really heavy duty stuff. You're not gonna bend this stuff. This is restaurant quality silverware. We're gonna use it for every day. Eating in our kitchen. We've actually had it for about a week now. It goes to the dishwasher just fine. Everything's great. Let me go through all the individual pieces. So you get 5 different like serving pieces here. You actually get like almost like a soup spoon sort of a thing, but it's good for like soups and sauces. You get a larger spoon, you get a slotted spoon, you get a serving fork, it's nice and big, and then you get a butter knife as well. Now we are actually using our silverware with the Gordon Ramsay Royal Dalton plate bowl, and we have a whole set. It's a maize white, I think it's called, but it's a nice bright white. It's a simple set, but it goes well with these simple silverware because there's no lines on this. It's just solid, clean, modern, but yet still a little bit traditional. There's no like weird pointy ends on it or anything. They're squared off. They're nice quality. It's quality metal, and nothing's going to actually happen to it. You can see it's actually stamped there, 1810. Really, really nice stuff. The actual pieces themselves, all of those different little pieces. Let's see here. We have this is a dinner fork. This is one of the larger forks. I believe we get about 12 of these. This is a salad / dessert fork. It's a little bit smaller. You actually get 24 of those. So that's great that you can actually go ahead and have salad, then you can have dinner, and then you still have plenty of forks left over for cake or for dessert. It's great. These are the knives. They are, you get 12 of these, and again, they're pretty quality. They're nice and heavy duty. You get the larger spoon. This is kind of a dinner spoon, a tablespoon, some people might call it. You get 12 of these. These is a teaspoon. This is a nice teaspoon just for kind of nibbling on things and having, for desserts and whatnot. You get 24 of these. That's, again, really, really nice because you may have a teaspoon with dinner, but then you also then need teaspoons for dessert. So that's great. And then you finally get these little coffee spoons. My kids like to actually use these to eat like ice cream and dessert. They're small and they're kind of fun. And you actually get 12 of those. So that's actually pretty cool. They're neat. They're kind of an added bonus. We don't have much of a use for them, but they are nice, especially for coffee spoons, for putting sugar in coffee and then stirring them up. So as you can see, they actually look really, really nice. Again, here's a nice simple set of plates. We really like it. I'll show you the drawer again. So here's the drawer. This is what about 101 pieces looks like. You can see we have them all laid out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different types, and then we put our serving pieces up underneath. But yeah, we just really, really like this set so far. Everyone loves it. We've eaten on it for about a week now, and we really enjoy it a whole lot. It's a great set. It's a great value because of all the different pieces and because of the nice modern look. It's something that you can really hold on to. These will last for years and years and years and years. We're really excited about it. I can't recommend them enough.